रंग चढ़े खुद का ही खुद पे बच्चों को तू ऐसे बढ़ा। बचपन मना रे यारा बचपन मना।
रोशन हो ये नन्हे दिए इन्हें तू रोज सजा। बचपन मना रे यारा बचपन मना।
जादू है ये जीने दे जरा। बचपन मना रे यारा बचपन मना।
गिरने दे बढ़ने दे उनको पास आए तो गले भी लगा।
बचपन मना रे यारा बचपन मना।
नई ये दुनिया नया आसमां।
बच्चों को बचपन से ही सिखा।
खेलते खेलते साथ निभा।
ऐसे तो उनका जीवन सजा।
ये बचपन है त्योहार हर दिन का। ये पहचान ले और रोज मना। बचपन मना रे यारा बचपन मना। बचपन मना रे यारा बचपन मना। बचपन मना रे यारा बचपन मना। अरे अब तो मना ले यारा।
तो आज तो वाकई बचपन मनाने का दिन है और यहाँ हमारे स्टूडियो में भी हर उम्र के छोटे छोटे बच्चे मौजूद हैं, अपने में व्यस्त हैं, खेल रहे हैं। टुडे इज इंटरनेशनल डे ऑफ प्ले, अ डे टू सेलिब्रेट द पावर ऑफ प्ले, अ डे टू टेल एवरीवन दैट प्ले इज मच मोर देन अ होल लॉट ऑफ फन. It's essential to every child's development and a day to come together and make sure that every child is able to fulfill their right to play. And why? Because play is the ultimate cheat code to help your child learn, grow, develop, and thrive. Every imaginative adventure, every building block, every tree climbed, every giggle, every bubble blown, and every mitti ka ghar is teaching children something. And let me tell you, children learn the fastest in the first 3,000 days of their lives. This is an unparalleled period of brain development, and if we just let children play, we are tapping into the most natural, efficient, and joyful way for them to build those crucial connections in their brains and learn at an astonishing rate. इसी संभावना को सेलिब्रेट करता है ये दिन, अंतर्राष्ट्रीय खेल दिवस। तो जब खेल इतना ज़रूरी है, हम अडल्ट्स इसकी ज़रूरत को क्यों नहीं समझते? और जैसे कि हम हर ज़रूरी मीटिंग, हर ज़रूरी काम के लिए डू नॉट डिस्टर्ब लगा देते हैं, वैसे ही खेलते हुए बच्चों को डिस्टर्ब ना किया जाए। जैसे वर्क इन प्रोग्रेस का संदेश आपको चेतावनी देता है कि यहाँ मत आइए, यहाँ काम चल रहा है, वैसे ही प्ले इन प्रोग्रेस के भी संदेश होने चाहिए। तो हमने सोचा कि क्यों ना हम ही ऐसा काम कर दें, प्ले इन प्रोग्रेस। So today, for International Day of Play, Bachpan Manao and UNICEF India have come together to promote and protect play with the hashtag Choose Play Everyday campaign.
बचपन बनाओ एनडीटीवी और एक स्टेप के साथ चूज प्ले एवरीडे।
Let's have some fun. Let's rally for play. Hashtag choose play every day.
Hashtag choose play every day.
Let's rally for play, choose play every day. बचपन बनाओ with NDTV.
Hashtag choose play every day.
आइए जुड़े खेल के साथ, hashtag choose play every day.
Hashtag choose play every day. Bachpan Banao with Ek Step and NDTV. Hashtag choose play every day. Bachpan Manao with Ek Step and NDTV.
तो जैसे आपने देखा, मैं और मेरे कई साथी हैशटैग चूज प्ले एवरीडे अभियान का हिस्सा बन गए हैं. यू कैन ऑल्सो चूज प्ले एवरी डे एंड बी अ पार्ट ऑफ दिस कैंपेन टू मेक द टाइम एंड स्पेस फॉर चिल्ड्रन टू प्ले. टू डू दिस, post a picture and with one of these signs. They are available in multiple languages on the campaign website ndtv.com/Bachpan Manao. Now it's time for some play in all different forms. My colleague Abira Dharrao is in Pune and about to set off for a nature walk with her daughter. Abira, over to you.
Yes. Hello. Okay. I'm here with the kids here in Pune, in Empress Garden, where we are going scavenger hunting, and we are in a nature walk. And I'm here with my daughter. Okay. Oh, okay. I just got scolded by her. Here is Arohi, my daughter, and we have all the other kids. And we are right now looking at a centipede. If you can see, we are all standing around a centipede, and we are trying to explore nature with the kids. I think there's no better way than playing than this. Look at this! Wow, this is.
It is poisonous.
It's not poisonous. No, it is
How
not.
many legs does it have? Do you see
Can
the
you
number
see?
of legs?
I can see the legs.
Oh,
Yes.
How many legs are there?
40.
40?
Okay, how many legs?
20.
How many legs do you see?
So we are exploring nature with all the children here, and like we say, play is the best way to learn for kids, and that's exactly what we are doing. I'm holding this basket here where we are putting in all things that we can see, and inside there are flowers, leaves, so they can play with them. So the children are doing. Let me talk to Shruti. Hi. So she is a part of Green Panther. Please tell me why play is so important and what we are doing today.
All right, yeah. So play, as I say, is children's language, and children love to explore through touch, smell, and taste. That's the way they learn, grow, and connect.
Absolutely, and this is how we are doing it. We are running around, playing around, and the kids are, their imagination is so beautiful.
Oh, just like how we saw, they touched the tree bark and it felt like a road. And when we saw the mushroom, it felt like somebody imagined it to be caramel popcorn.
Yes,
So that's the wonderful
Arohi.
thing. That's what happens when they are in nature.
Yes, I know. Thank you. So yes, that's what we are doing. Bhag rahe, daud rahe, khel rahe, and the kids are extremely interested in what is happening around. And I don't think I usually see children. Water is from the tree, baby. As a parent, this is one of the best moments for me to see my child walk around and play around in nature, which we usually don't get to see, So yeah, it's an absolute pleasure to be here and be a parent and be with other parents and children and explore this beautiful place.
Yeah, you can hold it. No problem. Okay, I think let's leave it on its own now. Let's not bother the centipede, and we can look for some other things. Yeah? Okay, let's go. Come.
And there are children at play,
You go
and
because
here
trees
they
and
were
everything else, the
setting
trees
off on a nature trail. Now, children need space to play, but making public areas child-friendly isn't just about playgrounds. It's about creating inclusive, safe, and stimulating environments where every child can thrive, learn, and most importantly, play. Like we're doing right here in our studio. Now, let's go across to Haripriya Suraban, my colleague from one such space in Bangalore. Haripriya, what's this place you are at?
Right, on the International Day of Play. Right, on the International Day of Play, we are here at a cafe called Rosti in the Koramangala area in Bengaluru. Here are a couple of activities lined up for the children. If you could see, there are paints here. There's a tree, painting of a tree where the children can make imprints, and then there are other activities happening. There are a couple of books kept here. There are a couple of hopscotch games. If we see people lined up there to arrange the games, the snakes and ladder game that children are playing. This is truly how children are learning here today. If anybody from Bangalore is watching it and have children, they should definitely get them here. The children are just starting to come more and more. We see here, and this is how the environment is lit up with more and more children exploring play. So we also have with us Srinivas Bhamidipati, who's the executive director of Rosti. He'll just give us a sense of what's happening here today. Tell us, why did you choose to do this at Rosti? What's the kind of importance that you see in creating spaces for play, making it more inclusive so that children can play?
Honestly speaking, it has always been like this. If you come on any Sunday morning, you will see so many children playing around and so much of activity happening. And the best part is, play is actually not only for children. This is a global reminder today to say that it is even for adults. Because for children, it may reduce stress, enhance creativity, but for adults, it will reduce stress. So both it is important. That is the reason why we do this. Not just here in Bangalore, but all Rosti cafes across India.
Now that this kind of initiative started and there are more events, so how do you plan to take this forward? As you said, this is something that's been happening, but now there's more awareness. Then there is, it is important to create places where children can explore and play. How do you take this forward? What else do you plan to do?
This is a regular event. Now, if you see, every 11th probably of the month, we will always have play areas like this being created. And every Sunday, any which way, we have a lot of play activities that happen. And that's why parents come here and relax at Rosti cafes.
That's cool. More people should join in today, and we see some of them walking in. We have some building blocks here that have been kept for the children to play. We see some interesting hopscotch games happening, and there are a couple of boards made where children can take pictures. Now we have with us Mangal Pandey from Key Education Foundation, who will just give us a sense of all the things that have been arranged today. This is such a great job done. So tell us a little bit about what is the thought that has gone behind into selecting these kind of activities. How does that help children learn better through playing?
Yeah, I think first of all, when we got this idea, we said, okay, what is the place we want to select? And Srinivas was very gracious enough to say, I want to build a place, I want to build a cafe where children can come and play. And then we started brainstorming on the ideas on what do we want to create. And now you see over here are activities for younger kids, even for 2 to 4-year-old. And then there are some which is physical movement and play. There's a treasure hunt over there where kids can roam around the whole cafe and actually enjoy. So it's not, we're trying to create a space which is child and play friendly, where children are not hesitating to play and run.
That's lovely. We also have Deepika Mugli Shetty with us, who is from the Ek Step Foundation. Hi Deepika, how are you doing this morning? Tell us the idea behind the vision, right? Why is it that we have to prioritize play? What is it that children truly gain from this, and why is this important?
Okay, so as part of the Bachpan Manao campaign and mission that we're doing with a lot of organizations and with NDTV and several others across the country, one of the key things is that children learn best through play. And as India, we have to prioritize the first 8 years of childhood as a high period of abundance. And play is the easiest way to make this happen. And it can happen anywhere. It can happen in a space like this. It can happen at home where you create khelkhonas. It can happen when you're driving in a car and playing word games and singing songs. It can happen anywhere. So the importance of play in all its dimensions needs to be understood. It's part of a policy framework. It is the most abundant thing everywhere. And marking a day like this as International Day of Play is actually critical in some way, because it reminds all of us adults to prioritize play. So Bachpan Manao is about playing and celebrating childhood, and we're hoping that by enabling these kinds of conversations, say play can happen anywhere, open your hearts and minds to play, whether it's out in nature, in a place like this, or in your home and in your community center across the country in villages, we're just kind of hoping that Bachpan Manao and the idea of play and the essence and value of play to build a foundation for learning can be cemented across the country.
This is a great start to what we see, what the thought is. How do we take this forward? How do we make more spaces inclusive in terms of, building them just to suitable to the kids and making every space truly what is, necessary?
I think it's very important that we pay attention to this idea and give it a priority. And once you do it, you actually find a million ideas to get the job done. And it could be things like, how do you create sensory play? Then by enabling sensory play, you actually include all kinds of children in the game. Making spaces available for everybody. And government's investing in the idea of play. Whether it means training our Anganwadi workers and preschool educators in play-based pedagogy, or making public spaces accessible for all age groups. Investing in play is the need of the hour, and within homes and our families and communities, adults become champions of play. Making time and space for play, and at the same time really turning around and saying, I am protecting every child's right to play.
This is all the fun that we are exploring here today. More and more children walking in. Activities happening here, as you see. This is the paintball rolling that has been done. Yes. Yeah. So these are the fun activities that we are taking part in, and we will also indulge in this.
Yeah, have fun there. It's lovely to see children playing, and we have created a similar space here in our NDTV studio today. Let me just show you around. बहुत सारे बच्चे यहाँ पर बैठे हैं, और जैसा हम आपको बार-बार बता रहे हैं, बच्चों को बस आप जगह दे दें, छोड़ दें. We've just created a safe space for them. There are things to play. सब अपने अपने खेल में बिजी हैं, और थोड़ी देर के बाद आप देखेंगे कि अपने दोस्त भी बना लेते हैं और खुद ही अपने खेल भी ढूंढ लेते हैं. जैसा यहाँ पर इस वक्त हम देख रहे हैं, मैं अपना काम कर रही हूँ, बच्चे अपने में व्यस्त हैं. तो जैसा कि हमने आपको बताया, इंटरनेशनल डे ऑफ प्ले के दिन बचपन मनाओ, यानी एक स्टेप फाउंडेशन और एनडीटीवी यूनिसेफ के साथ मिलकर #ChoosePlayEveryday अभियान चला रहे हैं. We are very pleased to be celebrating International Day of Play with UNICEF. We will be joined through the show by UNICEF ambassadors, all talking to us about the importance of play. But before that, we're pleased to be joined by Cynthia McCaffrey, UNICEF representative to India. Cynthia, welcome to the show. We have a lot of children here in our studio today, all busy with their own little play in spaces that they've created, friends that they have made in these very few minutes. I want to ask you, why do we need an International Day of Play, and what does this really mean for children?
Well, thank you for making time for this important discussion and fun discussion as well. A few reasons. First is, think about your own childhood and the things that you lean on as you grow older. The memories are often those where you had fun play and where you may have learned the most during those moments. For me, I recall learning how to swing a baseball bat with my father and my brother and sister. I learned how to run, how to swing that bat, how to catch the ball. The second is play helps bodies grow. It builds brains and body development. So it's important for a child's health. The third is that it helps foster positive, strong relationships. Parents are one of the first most important playmates for a child. Caregivers, coaches, this builds strong relationships that children learn how to have and to build throughout their lives. And finally, it works. It shows again and again in research that when you play, you're able to learn better and you can take those skills for life.
Of course, and how do you see the focus on play complementing UNICEF's broader goals for child well-being in India, particularly in areas like health, education, and protection?
I'm so glad you asked that question. For 75 years, UNICEF has been proud to be working alongside the government of India, and we've been working with them and learning from and with them. So first and foremost is that science tells us that play genuinely supports the growth and learning of a child. UNICEF India's Early Education Impact Study provided insights that a child who learns from a joyful, happy setting learns much more and retains more than when they're learning in a rote or very routine environment. These insights from this study have helped inform India's national dialogue and the policies that India is developing across for children. India's National Education Policy 2020 puts a lot on the foundational learning and what's required for a child to play. In the first 5 years of learning, the National Education Policy invests in the fact that children learn by doing and playing and not just sitting and communicating with teachers and each other. And so that's an important element of India's National Education Policy 2020. And so there are two examples where we're taking data and evidence and helping to inform the policies and practices that we're testing and rolling out together across India.
Sure. India has a vast and diverse population, Cynthia. How does UNICEF support the government to make the benefits of play accessible to all children?
Well, first and foremost, India has many of the right policies in place. And so UNICEF is proud to be working alongside to help identify the types of practices and guidelines that can help put these policies and bring them to life. So first and foremost is making sure that you build and maintain safe places for children to play. Public parks, schoolyards. Secondly is giving tips to parents. Parents are the first playmates for a child, so giving them age-appropriate tips for games and stimulating a child as they're growing. The third is providing the skills and the training to teachers, again, to have age-appropriate play throughout a child's learning, to train caregivers, to train India's frontline workers, such as the Angawadi workers. And finally, is to make sure that there is always time as a priority for play, that it's not an afterthought. It's not at the end of a long day when everyone's tired, but genuinely making time in school during those early childhood development center days at home with a parent, that is a priority. Play is a priority.
Absolutely, that's so important. Making time for play and prioritizing play and also training the caregivers, like you said. Cynthia, what's that one message you have for our audience today?
I have one message and maybe some ideas for actions we can all take. The first and most important message is play is not a luxury. It's an essential part of a child's ability to both survive and thrive. The UN Convention on the Rights of the Child recognizes a child's right to have a safe place to play because it's so important for her to have in order to grow and to thrive. And some actions we can all consider taking is get out and play today. Play with your children, play with your family members, nieces, nephews, and your friends. And play outside, interact with each other, less screen time and more play time. Secondly, is to help make sure that we have public spaces for every child, public parks, help maintain them, keep them clean and safe for every child. Help to make sure that policymakers make sure that schools have a safe place to play in every schoolhouse. So these are the two things we can do. Get out and play, and make sure that we've got safe places across India for every child. So to summarize the key message, play is not for tomorrow. Play is for today. Play is for every day. Choose play every day.
Absolutely. Thank you so much for that message. And like you rightly pointed out, you have to prioritize play. And it is such a lovely environment in the studio today when I'm connected with you all here. There are children who are busy in their own play and they're running across, and we've just created a space for them to play, and look how beautifully they're all making friends and playing with each other. So choose play every day. Thank you for that message, Ms. McCaffrey. जैसा कि आपने कहा, बाहर निकलिए, खेलिए, वक्त निकालिए खेलने के लिए, और बच्चों के लिए सार्वजनिक स्थानों को, पब्लिक स्पेसेस को उपलब्ध कराइए। और इस वक्त गोरखपुर में कुछ ऐसा ही हो रहा है। अब हम आपको ले चलते हैं एक ऐसे पार्क में जहां डेटॉल खेल और मस्ती के जरिए साफ सफाई और स्वास्थ्य से जुड़ी जरूरी बातें सिखाई जा रही हैं। तो चलते हैं पंकज झा के पास, जो इस वक्त गोरखपुर के डेटॉल हाइजीन प्ले पार्क में मौजूद हैं। पंकज, खेल के जरिए किस खूबसूरती से हम सिखा सकते हैं बच्चों को वो बातें कि कैसे साफ सफाई रखें, किस तरह से हाइजीन मेंटेन करें, जो कितना ज़रूरी है। और ये सिर्फ बताने से नहीं सीखते बच्चे, खेल के जरिए बेहतर सीखते हैं। तो दिखाइए वहाँ क्या हो रहा है इस वक्त।
जी हाँ, बिल्कुल एक दौर था जब कहते थे कि पढ़ोगे लिखोगे तो बनोगे नवाब और खेलोगे कूदोगे तो बनोगे खराब, लेकिन वक्त बदल गया है। देखिए ना, इतनी धूप है और उमस है, इसके बावजूद ये बच्चे खेल रहे हैं और खेल खेल में ना जिंदगी में बहुत कुछ आगे बढ़ने की और सीख भी रहे हैं। वो हेल्थ का मुद्दा हो, हाइजीन का मुद्दा हो। और ये जो आपको दिख रहा है ना, एक बच्चा, ये अधिराज कहता है कि फुल नेम मेरा है अधिराज और हाफ नेम क्या है तुम्हारा, बताओ?
कुंज कसौधन।
कुंज कसौधन। तो तुम तो मुझे बता रहे थे यहाँ क्या क्या हो रहा है, क्या हो रहा है यहाँ खेल खेल में?
यहाँ पे सब बच्चे ट्रैम्पोलिन खेल रहे हैं, मैं यहाँ पे झूला झूल रहा हूँ, बच्चे स्विंग झूल रहे हैं, कोई बच्चे स्लाइड कर रहे हैं, वहाँ पे बच्चे हॉप कर रहे हैं।
और इन सब से होता क्या है खेल खेल में?
खेल खेल में
क्या सीखा?
हाँ। हम लोग बहुत एंजॉय कर रहे हैं।
बहुत एंजॉय करते हैं।
और यहाँ पे बेसिंग भी है एक डेटॉल वाला।
हाँ। तो वहाँ क्या करने जाते हो आप रोज?
हम लोग जब खेलते हैं, जब खेल के जब आ जाते हैं हम लोग, तब हैंड वॉश कर लेते हैं।
ये हैंड वॉश क्यों जरूरी होता है?
क्योंकि हम लोगों के हाथ पैर में जब भी जर्म्स आ जाते हैं तब हम लोग हैंड वॉश कर लेते हैं।
और आप अपने घर में भी लोगों को सिखाते हो, बड़ों को?
हाँ,
सबको
सिखाता हूँ। हाँ।
चेकिंग भी करते हो क्या?
हाँ,
चेकिंग भी करते हो सबका?
हाँ।
तो ये देखिए, छोटा पैकेट है ये, और अभी से कहते हैं कि हम यही नहीं, मुझे ये बता रही थी कि इनकी जो माँ है उन्होंने एक बार हैंड वॉश नहीं किया था तो उनको भी इन्होंने सिखाया। ये देखिए, यहाँ भी बच्चे जो हैं वो यहाँ पर ऊपर चढ़ रहे हैं, नीचे उतर रहे हैं। यहाँ पर क्या हो रहा है भाई, क्या हो रहा है?
प्लेइंग।
प्लेइंग में क्या हो रहा है?
हम लोग ऊपर से नीचे उतर रहे हैं और स्लाइडिंग कर रहे हैं।
क्यों?
क्योंकि मजा आ रहा है।
मजा आ रहा है। बड़ी बात दिखाता हूँ ना, यहाँ पे देखिए कि जैसे चिल्ड्रन एट प्ले, मतलब मौसम इतना अच्छा नहीं, और ये देखिए कि बच्चे आप खेल रहे हैं, यहाँ सांप सीढ़ी भी खेल रहे हैं यहाँ पे बच्चे। और रंजीत मुझे मिल गए हैं प्लान इंडिया से। रंजीत बाबू को बताइए। नमस्कार। नमस्कार। मैं देख रहा हूँ कि बहुत यहाँ तरह तरह के खेल हैं, क्या क्या इसके जरिए आप करा रहे हैं बच्चों को?
ये सर, जो हमारा स्कूल हाइजीन प्रोग्राम में चल रहा है, बनेगा स्वच्छ इंडिया कार्यक्रम के तरफ, उसी की तरफ से एक इनिशिएटिव इनोवेटिव पार्क बनाया गया है। ये हमारा स्टीम स्टेशन है, जिसमें बच्चों को हम खेल खेल के माध्यम से गुड हैबिट और बैड हैबिट के बारे में जानकारी देते हैं। यहाँ अलग अलग गेम्स हैं, जैसे आपका एक सांप सीढ़ी का गेम है, इसमें हम शौच करने की अच्छी आदत और बुरी आदत के बारे में बताते हैं। ये बच्चे खेल खेल के माध्यम से सीखते हैं कि अगर हमारा गुड हैबिट होगा तो हमें सीढ़ी मिलेगा, हम आगे जाएंगे, और अगर बैड हैबिट होगा तो हमें सांप मिलेगा और हम नीचे जाएंगे। इस तरह से बच्चों को हम लोग खेल खेल के माध्यम से सिखाते हैं। और एक हमारा पजल गेम है, जिसमें हम हैंड वॉशिंग के स्टेप्स को अगर हम फॉलो नहीं करते हैं तो जर्म्स हमारे कहाँ कहाँ छूट जाते हैं। उस तरह से बच्चों को यहाँ हम लोग खेल खेल के माध्यम से।
मुझे बताइए, यहाँ जितने सारे बच्चे, जरा हैंड रेज करना, कौन कौन नेल बाइटिंग करता था?
नेल ऐसे कौन काटता था?
नेल बाइटिंग कौन करता था? कोई नहीं करता। तो अब नेल बाइटिंग पहले करते रहे होंगे बच्चे?
काफी, हम लोग भी बचपन में सर करते थे, लेकिन ये अभी बहुत बिहेवियर में चेंज हुआ है। यहाँ हम लोग देखते हैं पेरेंट्स भी आके बोलते हैं कि यहाँ जो सेशन चलता है, बच्चे को जो बताया जाता है, वो बच्चे जाके घर पर भी पेरेंट्स को बोलते हैं, खासतौर को मम्मियों को बोलते हैं कि मम्मी आप खाने बनाने जा रही हैं, पहले आप हैंड वॉश करिए, उसके बाद आप खाना बनाइएगा। तो काफी बहुत ही पॉजिटिव यहाँ से रिस्पांस मिल रहा है बच्चों से।
भाई सांप सीढ़ी खेलते थे, मैं भी लूडो खेलता था पहले। यहाँ हो क्या रहा है सांप सीढ़ी में? हैबिट ऑफ टॉयलेटिंग इस सांप सीढ़ी में। ये देखिए, सांप सीढ़ी का गेम है। तो जैसे ये स्नेक खा गया, तो अगर जो नेल बाइटिंग करता है तो फिर इसमें बताया हुआ है कि आप इस तरीके से आपको ये सांप खा जाएगा। तो ये आप लोग कब क्या क्या और क्या क्या सीखा? आपका क्या नाम हुआ?
शिवम।
शिवम, क्या हो रहा है यहाँ?
यहाँ गेम हो रहा है।
गेम में से क्या क्या सीखा आप? खेल खेल में लोग कहते हैं बहुत कुछ सीखा।
बुरी बात करना, एक सांप काटेगा।
ओहो, तो बुरी बात करेंगे तो सांप काट लेगा। मुझे कुछ यहाँ बच्चे भी दिख रहे हैं, यहाँ भी गेम हो रहा है। यहाँ पे ये दिखाया जा रहा है कि अगर हैंड वॉश नहीं करते हैं तो क्या होता है, यही सिखाया ना? क्या होता है हैंड वॉश नहीं करते?
हैंड वॉश नहीं करते तो हमारे हाथ में जर्म्स लग जाते हैं। जब हम लोग हैंड वॉश नहीं करते कुछ खाने जाते हैं तो जर्म्स हम लोग के मुंह में चल जाते हैं, फिर हमें दर्द हो जाता है।
तो यहाँ पर आपने देखा कि किस तरह, ये देखिए रिजर्व फॉर प्ले, मतलब ये पूरा एरिया जो है पार्क बचपन सेलिब्रेट करने के लिए। और यहाँ पे देखिए कि बच्चे जो हैं वो इस तरीके से खेल खेल में जिंदगी की बहुत सारी बातें सीख रहे हैं। बैक टू स्टूडियो।
बिल्कुल, शुक्रिया आपका पंकज दिखाने के लिए कि कितनी खूबसूरती से बच्चे सीख रहे हैं और खेल खेल में सीख रहे हैं। ये जो तस्वीरें हैं वो हमें खेल की अहमियत का एहसास कराती हैं और खेल की खुशी का भी, और ये जहाँ पे भी झलक रही है। और इसी खुशी में शामिल हो रही हैं यूनिसेफ इंडिया की नेशनल एम्बेसडर करीना कपूर खान। आप सुनिए उनका भेजा हुआ ये मैसेज आप सबके लिए, और हम लौटते हैं एक छोटे से ब्रेक के बाद।
Play is a fundamental right of every child. Let's build a world where every jump, giggle and game leads to a brighter future for our young ones. That's the magic of play. It's a fun and engaging way of learning through which children learn to communicate, team up and solve problems. Children engage their minds and bodies, explore their passions and build resilience for life's challenges. Play is a fundamental right of every child. As parents and caregivers, let's make time to play and learn with our children, making it a priority for every child, everywhere. Join me in spreading the wonder and magic of play.
Has to be inclusive. It is every child's right to play, and so play needs to be inclusive and accessible to every child. And that is exactly what we are going to see as we now join Devyani in the NCR. Devyani, over to you. What's happening where you are there? How are you all celebrating the International Day of Play?
Well, Nagma, we're at a very special place. जैसे कि ये कहा जाए, स्वागत है आपका बच्चों की प्यारी दुनिया में. We're at a very special place in Gurgaon called Mobile Creche. And I would like the camera person to pan on the messages that we have, where milkar khelna, milkar seekhna, har din kuch naya seekho. Now these mobile creches, these are not any other childcare centers. These are homes to the children of migrant laborers, people who are creating others' homes. Now, while their parents are working, these mobile creches are ensuring that children have a space which is safe and where they learn while also playing. Now, let's go here and have a look at what exactly this mobile creche holds. Now, you can see toddlers and children. You have a huge evergreen view here. This is the place where children have an open arena to play. This side we can see the creche which is there, which you have all the toddlers and the infants here, and you have proper trainers and in charges taking care of them. There, when we go inside, we have two classrooms, which is known as Balwadi and Bridge Course. Now, Balwadi is a classroom for children up to 3 to 6 years of age, and Bridge Course is a classroom for children up to 6 to 12 years of age. We would like to show what exactly these classrooms look like, what all do they have inside. Every day, 9 a.m., the creche starts with a prayer, and they have a proper attendance. Children are involved in a lot of activities. They have Gudiya Ki Chuniya, Akriti, Balwadi, Alamkari. They have a summer Samay Sarani. By Samay Sarani, they mean they have a whole curriculum for 9 to 4 p.m. where they're engrossed not just in studies, but in a lot of playful activities. And trainers attend all the children. They focus on each and every child. And here, if you can see this wall, it has a lot of messages, a lot of prayers that children recite right in the morning. When we go to this Bridge Course, this is another classroom which attends children of up to 6 to 12 years of age. And here we can see children engrossed in a lot of playful activities. Mobile creches में किस-किस को आना अच्छा लगता है? So you see, children are so enthusiastic to be here. We'll talk to one of the kids here and know what exactly they learn here. आपका नाम?
मोहम्मद निसार।
निसार, आप यहाँ पे क्या क्या सीखते हैं?
मैं खेल कूद में गिनती और पहाड़ा, फिर उसके बाद मैं ABCD भी सीखा हूँ और यहाँ पर मेरे को आना बहुत अच्छा लगता है।
और आपको टीचर्स सारा कुछ बताते हैं जो आपका सवाल होते हैं? और आपको सबसे अच्छा क्या खेलना लगता है?
मेरे को यहाँ पर कैरम बोर्ड। हाँ जी।
So you see, kids are super excited to be in these classrooms in this mobile creche. Now we'll talk to one of the parents here, to just have a point of view as to what they think about these mobile creches where they, enroll their kids and how, their children's lives have been changed. मनीषा जी हमारे साथ हैं। मनीषा जी, आप मुझे बता सकती हैं कि आप अपने बच्चों को मोबाइल क्रेश में काफ़ी समय से भेज रही हैं। क्या बदलाव आपने अपने बच्चों में देखा है?
मेरा नाम मनीषा है। नमस्ते, मेरा नाम मनीषा है। मैं बिहार से हूँ, दलसिंहसराय से। यहाँ 81 सेक्टर ग्लोमर सिटी में रहती हूँ। मोबाइल क्रेश स्कूल में मैं भेजती हूँ। यहाँ मतलब खेल खेल में गाना सीख गया, खेलना सीख गया, खाना सीख गया। पहले बच्चे बोलते नहीं थे, अब बोलना सीख गया, डांस करना सीख गया। ये सब परिवर्तन मैं देखती हूँ।
तो आपने अपने बच्चों में इतना परिवर्तन देखा है शुरुआत से और जब से वो होम क्रेश में थे। वी हैव मैमुल हेयर हु इज़ एन इंचार्ज ऑफ दिस मोबाइल क्रेश। मैमुल जी, आप हमें बता सकते हैं, यहाँ पे इतना अच्छा माहौल है, इतने सारे बच्चे हैं, छोटे से लेके 12 साल की उम्र तक है, यहाँ पे इनका क्या करिकुलम रहता है? आप बच्चों को कैसे इन्वॉल्व रखते हैं? एक खेल पिटारा नामक आपका एक करिकुलम है, तो आप उसमें क्या क्या इन्वॉल्व हैं?
जी, मेरा नाम मैमूल है। सबको नमस्ते। और खेल पिटारा में हमारा पूरा दिनचर्या का, जैसे शारीरिक विकास से हो गया, मानसिक विकास, भावनात्मक, उसमें पूरा टोटल टाइम टू टाइम उसमें खेल पिटारा में हमारा एक्टिविटी है। उस हिसाब से हम फटाफट से एक दिन पहले तैयारी करते हैं और फिर बच्चों के साथ करवाते हैं।
So you see, all these kids are involved in a lot of other activities, and this is something which these migrant laborers have understood, that how important play is for these kids. And on the occasion of International Day of Play, all the viewers who are watching us, they can also be a part of this noble movement. You just have to share these placards that we have here, and you see it on the social medias, on NDTV and Bachpan Manao, and you can share these placards on the social media and be a part of this noble movement. Back to you, Nagma.
Thank you so much, Devyani. That was wonderful, and what a beautiful initiative that is. Mobile creches where children come, खास करके जो मजदूर हैं, जो काम कर रहे हैं, उनके बच्चे यहाँ पर आते हैं, खेल खेल में सीखते हैं। और हमारा स्टूडियो में आगे बढ़ने से पहले आपको दिखाना चाहूँगी कि अर्चिता यहाँ पे खेल रही है हमारे साथ आज इस प्ले एरिया में, हमारा स्टूडियो जो कि प्ले एरिया बन गया है, और इसने ये लिखा है और ये अब सबको दिखाना चाहती है, ये बचपन मनाओ NDTV। तो ये इतनी देर में इन्होंने ये लिखा है और अब सब खेल में बिजी हैं, सबने दोस्ती कर ली है, अपने अपने दोस्त बना लिए। थैंक यू अर्चिता, थैंक यू वेरी मच, बहुत अच्छा था ये। ओके, थैंक यू। So now we are joined by a very special guest, National Ambassador of UNICEF India, Ayushman Khurana. Welcome Ayushman, and thank you for joining us. I just want to begin by asking you, why is it important for every child to play? What do you think?
The concept of play has always been universal, not just for children, but also for adults. As an adult, till date, playing cricket when I go back home to Chandigarh and going cycling with my family is a favorite. Going out and playing, whether that is just playing with your friends or just having a good time enjoying with family, is extremely important for children because it helps in their overall development, helping their mental, physical and emotional well-being. Not just that, from an early age, this free play also helps them build relationships and understand their challenges and conquer their inhibitions. With today's increasing screen time for children, it is vital that every child has a dedicated time to play, not only in school but also at home.
Absolutely, every child must have a dedicated time to play. You're a parent yourself. How have you experienced the role of play, especially in the early years of your child's life?
Playing with my children has been a stress buster for me since they turned about 2 or 3 years of age. Tara and I both emphasized on the importance of our children playing, and not just at home but also outdoors. Whether that meant signing up both of them for sports outside of school or ensuring they have a fixed time to play every day. Time to play is never compromised on till date. Is this fun to be a child and play with your children too? And we do it often, sometimes laser tag at home or cricket with the entire family, and I enjoy it to the fullest.
Our studio has such a wonderful vibe today. Children are running around, planes are flying. Ayushman, what's your favorite memory of play from your own childhood, especially before the age of 8?
Childhood for me was a lot of play and fun. I've always been a huge fan of cricket, and I also used to play that professionally. Eventually, I used to play under 19 district level cricket. With my brother Apar, we used to play the game Aao Milo Shilo Shalo, or like we say Aam Lelo Salem Sali in Punjab, which is an Indian clapping game, and we also used to play Maran Pitti, which is commonly known as Lagori. At home, playing games like Dark Room, Hide and Seek, and Chain Chain was also a favorite. While all this was fun and games, I feel all this playing definitely helped me understand values of teamwork, discipline, and perseverance that have stayed with me throughout my life.
Ayushman, you've had such a varied background, into arts, music, acting. And how much of this do you attribute to your childhood and, the imaginative pretend games that you would have played?
I attribute a lot of what I am as an artist to my childhood. Had I not participated in all the school and college fancy dress competitions, plays, theatres, dances, dramas, maybe I would have never understood my love for being on stage and screen. Playing pretend games like Ghar Ghar, Chor Police was also always a pastime growing up. I think subconsciously, maybe it does help me get into my characters easily because I was conditioned to this in some ways since childhood.
हम अपने दर्शकों से यही कहेंगे कि आप सब भी हमारी #ChoosePlayEveryday मुहिम का हिस्सा बने और इसके लिए इनमें से किसी भी एक साइन बोर्ड के साथ, जैसे एक ये साइन बोर्ड है, ऐसे किसी भी एक साइन बोर्ड के साथ आप अपनी एक फ़ोटो पोस्ट कीजिए। ये साइंस कई भाषाओं में इस कैंपेन की वेबसाइट पर उपलब्ध है। एंड व्हेन यू चूज़ to promote and protect play every day, you unlock a child's potential in the most natural and joyful way possible and help create a more curious, compassionate and playful world. So all these children here with me have really had a lot of fun, and this one wants to show what she's written here. What have you written here?
The NDTV is the best.
NDTV is the best. Thank you so much for that, and thank you for watching. And we hope NDTV West. Thank you so much. This little one here is also saying NDTV is the best. And what's your name? आपका नाम क्या है?
Prapti.
Prapti. Come Prapti. So this is Prapti. Thanks everyone. Thank you for watching, and we hope you all celebrate International Day of Play in your own way. Thank you. मजा आया बहुत मजा
बचपन